Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can use Bitchat both on iPhone and Android, and you can chat with others without internet just using Bluetooth. It uses Bluetooth Mesh, and if you want to know how Bitchat actually works, there is a video in the description. You can check it out. The good news is that now Bitchat is officially available and completely free on both iOS App Store and on Android Play Store. The minimum version required for iOS is iOS 16.0, and for Android 8.0 and higher are required. You can simply search and install Bitchat and start using it. Before we open the app, I will simply turn off Wi-Fi so that you can see that Bitchat only works via Bluetooth. Internet is not required. And now let's open the apps both on Android and iPhone. You will see this interface on Android, and on iPhone you will see this message for notifications. Allow, then hit OK. Go to settings, turn on Bluetooth and reopen the app to set it up on iOS. Now on Android, simply hit this button while using the app. Allow, you'll see Bluetooth required. Enable Bluetooth, allow. Now you will see this message that you will have to disable battery optimization so that it keeps working in the background. Simply select this button and then simply complete the action according to your Android. Now select no restrictions. And you can see it is now instantly connected. You can simply message without issues. Alright, you can see it instantly showed up on the iPhone. And on the iPhone, now if you want to change the nickname, you can simply select it from here and you can edit it and then hit return. Now on Android, same, simply select it from here, select a nickname, then hit the chat. Now if you want to clear everything, you can simply tap Bitchat 3 times and it will clear everything including your nickname. If you want to check about, you can simply hit it and you will see the features right here, and you can also do it on Android. Now if you select Mesh on Android and iPhone, you will land to geohash channels which your device will automatically search, and you can connect and chat. Now if you want to check who is online, you can simply select this icon and it will list all the people around you who are connected and available to chat. You can simply select and also have a private chat. You can see it right here. I got the message instantly. And you will also see this little icon which shows you got a private message. Select it and chat here. One more thing I noticed, that if you check out the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, you will see that the other Android is connected. Moreover, if you hit Mesh both on Android and iPhone, you can see we have an option to also teleport. That's all for this quick rundown for Bitchat on both iPhone and Android. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. Happy chatting.